So in this video, I'm going to show you all how to replace one of these wiper cowls, a Dodge Charger, a Chrysler 300 of this year. This specific car is a 2014. Now I did opt to buy this new one off of Amazon. Link is in the description if it is still available. Hopefully it is. Now you might be saying, well, why not get one from a junkyard? Probably be substantially cheaper. And you'd be right if the ones at the junkyard didn't look like this or worse. We'll have to remove the wiper arms, and in order to do that you have to pull off these caps, which will reveal a nut right there. Take that back, it's a 15. So I'm just going to whip this thing off real fast. Pull that off so we don't lose it. Now, here's the kind of a tricky part. So these wiper arms are somewhat difficult to get off. Tried with some cheater lubricant there, it didn't work. Will not come off. Apparently they make a proper tool for this, but as I'm thinking about it, I'm going to replace this anyway, so I'm just going to cut it. A pair of aviation snips here. Go. So both of those are cut. What I'm going to do now is pull these old plastic clips out, which are definitely past their life expectancy. I think that's it. Go ahead and start pulling this out, I guess. There's also clips. So with a little bit of force and coercion, we got it out. So I just used my 3-jaw puller, pulled this one off. Now I got to do that one. There we go. You see this one has all new foam on it. This side doesn't have any for some reason. Neither does the other side. So everything looks okay to me. I'm not seeing anything, otherwise that shouldn't be there. So let's go ahead and get the new one at the front. Well, that was a lot of fun. Had to go one by one. with each one of these tabs up here, kind of knock them into place. And then started from here, and I went down to the passenger side. Now all I have left is this one on this side, which I think I need to glue this piece back on, but I'm not going to worry about that just yet. So let me just turn the wipers on and see how they do. And I think I'm good with that. Lined up more or less where they should be. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those caps back on. Do not like reusing stuff like this, but sometimes you gotta do it. And there it is. So let me get all my tools put away, and then we'll